In the theory course, my usual practice is to speak to the students and set up the day for at least 30 minutes, and then to have an hour of discussion, or speak to the students for an hour and have half an hour of discussion. That's usually, it's not a case of 1/3, 2/3. That's just pulling all the talking at time out and adding it up. And the bottom line in any given day is that I have a certain amount of material that I have to cover, and part of that is presented either in words, in text. I often hand out 5 pages, single-spaced. I don't need to stand and talk at them. And the other part is developed through questions. And I've got sequences of questions and possible answers and more revealing answers that I think are likely to come when I pose questions. And most of the student learning is taking place as they engage individually as observers or active participants. And in terms of my teaching intentions, I don't really know what facts I reliably teach my students. I do know that I teach them one useful skill, which is the art of asking questions Socratically. They learn what Socratic questioning is. They learn how to pose questions that will establish what the differences are between our knowledge and our ignorance. We push out the boundaries of our knowledge, and we bump into things that tell us when we don't know enough to be able to go further. And so they learn that they are inquiring about things. They aren't necessarily making deductions. They're often making inferences. They aren't necessarily winning arguments. They shouldn't even be trying to. But they are developing understanding about the things over which they do argue.